Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll show you how to use Outgrow to build high-converting, SEO-friendly interactive content like quizzes or calculators for Fintech step-by-step. Start by logging into your Outgrow account. This is your control center, where all your quizzes, calculators, polls, and chatbots exist. It lets you choose from multiple formats, including a numerical calculator, outcome quiz, assessment, poll, e-commerce recommendation, chatbot, giveaway, form, or survey, and landing page, perfect for fintech use cases. You can either start from scratch or choose a ready-made template like money management quiz, business financial health check, financial freedom quiz, credit score quiz, and many more. Outgrow's templates are optimized for conversions and save time. Now let's add questions. Outgrow supports multiple question types like multi-select, single select, drop-down, text inputs, text area, numeric slider, numeric range slider, opinion scale, rating, ranking grid, etc. Next, optimize the design. Click on the Overall Design tab, add website URL, add color and background, question, answer, and components. You can also add an image or video in the background, etc. Design result pages that clearly explain outcomes and guide next actions. This is where conversions happen. Add lead forms before or after results to capture high-intent users. Now connect Outgrow with your existing fintech stack. Automatically send leads to your CRM with calculated values. Unlike most tools, Outgrow content is SEO-friendly. You can add meta titles, descriptions, and featured images to optimize your content SEO-friendly for ranking. Once ready, publish your content. You can copy the embed code from here and can easily add it on your website. With Outgrow, fintech brands can create interactive experiences that rank on Google and convert users into qualified leads. Start building smarter quizzes or calculators today with Outgrow.